to another episode of FPNN. Today is Monday, December 3rd, and the 77th day of school. I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Jace. Now to Ariana for the pledges.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the Fruitville Pledge. I can be responsible, respectful, and resourceful with everything I do and say today.
Thanks, Ariana. That was great. Now it's time for Science Trivia.
The number to call on your screen is 50612. The question is, what would you have to add to solid ice to make it turn into a liquid? We will be answering caller number 1.
Hello, whose class is this?
Miss Marchetti?
Who's speaking?
Devin?
Do you have the correct answer?
Yes?
What is it?
Hot water.
Woo! The correct answer is heat. In order to change a solid to a liquid, you must add the energy of heat.
Thanks for that information, Kirsten. That is the answer I predicted. Now to Sadie for today's menu.
Today we will be having Alfredo pasta bake with garlic toast, cheese bites with marinara, holiday salad, sweet steamed carrots, garden salad, grape tomatoes, fresh grapefruit, peach cup, and assorted fruit juice.
Thanks, Sadie. That was great.
Now for some upcoming events.
The Giving Tree is still beautifully lit in the main office. We have 9 more days to help out our Fruitville families in need. Any gifts purchased must be returned by Wednesday, December 12th, wrapped with a number card on the gift.
Our Winter Wonderland themed PRP is on January 11th after we come back from winter break. Make sure that you are using these last few weeks to meet our Teacher Pirate expectations so you can join in on the fun. The events that will be occurring at the PRP is sledding, snowshoe races, ice cream truck, and much more.
There will be another garden work day this Saturday from 8 until noon. Have your family come out and support this wonderful program. Now for Monday's meme. I once told a chemistry joke. There was no reaction.
That's a good one, Kirsten. Now to Professor Jaffe for Science Monday.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Science Monday. My name is Mr. Jaffe, and today is a great day to think about science. You probably figured it out, but the word of the week is predict. It means we are going to try and deduce, figure out what's going to happen next based on what you already know. If you don't know anything, you're just guessing. You're not predicting, but with some clues, some information, you're able to make a prediction. So, what's in the box? Oh, did you see what she did? Did you see what she did? She gave it a shake. What's in the box? And I agree with her. She does not have enough information to know what's in the box. There are some clues, the size of the box, who I am, where we are, what the box feels like, but there's not enough information to make a prediction. All she could really do right now is make a guess. But what about a little more information? What if there was a picture on the box? What do you predict is in the box? Ariana?
Like a slingshot thing?
Okay, like a slingshot thing. It says on the side it's a catapult. Does she know, though? Not yet. Not without more proof. At this point, though, she can make a good prediction. Ariana?
Open it?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. I'm not good at opening things.
Right on the side. Yeah. How about now? Now we know it is the slingshot thing, the catapult. It's no longer a prediction. Now you have proof. Prediction, go ahead, dear. Prediction is when you don't know, but you have enough information to make a strong assumption. If you had to use the word guess, I would say you have enough information to make a strong guess. All right, remember last week you had to explain the joke? I'm afraid that's going to happen again this time. My joke for today, there was a man named Rudolph who always wore a red hat and a red jacket, and he was very good at predicting the weather. He was always right, like he had proof, and he wasn't making a prediction. One day, after another prediction came true, a rainstorm, his wife said to him, "Once again, your prediction has come true, but I want to know, just how are you always so accurate, Rudolph?" To which he replied, anybody? You see, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Reindeer. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Professor Jaffe. Now to Captain French for some announcements.
Well, and we may just have Rudolph here today because I can predict, or the weatherman is predicting, rain this afternoon, right? They have a good indication of what it is. They know the atmosphere, and they are predicting rain for this afternoon. So Rudolph may be making a showing here. Speaking of showing, real quick, I do have a little friend with me today, all right? If you don't know who this is, you may be familiar with them. iReady, this is Plory. Plory is the iReady dude, okay, that we go from. And why do I have Plory today? Because today is the first day of Diagnostic 2. Yes, here's what I want you to do. I can predict that your score will improve based on you having the lessons, based on the teachers teaching you those things. That's my prediction, that your score will improve. Well, here's my homework for you for today. I want you to write down how many points you predict you will go up on your iReady. Let's just go reading, okay? Because most of you will probably start with reading. So let's see how close you are to that prediction. Plory wants you to do well, okay? He's telling me himself, we already talked, he said he wants you to do well. Remember, when you are taking that diagnostic, take your time. Yes, I'm going to tell you right now, it is going to take you a number of times. I did the average of our kids last year, and the average in in reading was about 80 minutes. So it took about 80 minutes to complete the reading test, and it took almost the same amount of time for math. So that's pretty much all week going to be doing the diagnostic. So just take your time and relax and do your best. I want to see if your prediction of you improving, because I know you're going to do it. I'm predicting you're going to improve, but I want to see if your prediction comes true. He wants to as well, okay? All right, here we go. We're going to pull out 10 or 11. She's going to help me out here. Number 1, Jamiria from Miss Williams, helping to guide substitute during science lesson. Mix them around. Number 2, Liliana Allard from Miss Rice, a good dojo point day. Number 3, mix them and go to the bottom. From Anna Brill Rodriguez. Well, Lily has 2, so we'll just go for as 1, Lily. Sienna Alfano from Miss Johnson for asking great questions and not being afraid. Next one, I think it's number 4, Jaden Bryant from Miss Mayers, asking great questions about transitions. That's great. Number 5, Tallulah Brand from Miss Johnson, from Chloe for being a great partner. Number 6, Trinity from Miss Rice, great dojo day. Number 7, mix them up. Liam Hines from Miss Rice from having a bunch of dojos. There we go. Now we're going to mix them up. Let's go do 5 more. Here we go. Alyssa Wood from Miss Stillo's class, being responsible for her materials. I love the word responsible. Number 2 now, Ethan from Miss King's class, avoiding temptation and keeping his body in the group. Number 3, Kalia Hill from Miss Bernstein for cleaning up our room. Oh, I love it. She went way down at the bottom. Laura from Nicole, it doesn't say, being a good friend. So hopefully if you wrote that, maybe you can tell her. And our last one, give me one more from that pile. Yeah, Anna Brill from Trinity, holding the door. Well, Anna Brill, she was our big winner this week. Julie McCollum from Miss Stillo's class for having materials ready to go. All right, everyone, remember, Mr. French and Plory want you to do well today on iReady. Take your time, do your best. Let's see how you grow and predict. Make sure that prediction comes true. All right, let's have a marvelous Monday. Back to the anchors.
Thanks, Captain French.
Art Club meets today, and so does Running Club. I predict that Running Club will run a whole lot of miles this afternoon.
And thank you for watching another amazing episode of FPNN. I'm Jace.
And I'm Kirsten. We can't have a marvelous Monday. See you tomorrow.